Welcome to Car TV Updates. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 arrives as one of the most anticipated automotive revivals of the decade, a car that carries not only the weight of an iconic nameplate but the expectations of enthusiasts who have been waiting for Mazda to return to its performance-driven roots. For years, rumors surrounding the RX-7's comeback floated through the industrial whispers about rotary engines, hybrid systems, lightweight bodies, and a design that would honor the legendary FD generation. Now, with Mazda officially bringing the rotary spirit back to life, the 2026 RX-7 represents a bold leap forward while still embracing everything that made its predecessors unforgettable. This new iteration is not just a sports car, it's a statement that Mazda still understands the pure emotional thrill of driving. At first glance, the 2026 RX-7 captures attention with its sculpted yet minimalistic design language. Mazda leans heavily into its Kodo ethos, emphasizing motion and elegance even when the car is standing still. The proportions instantly evoke classic RX-7 quiz of the long hood, low center of gravity, short rear deck, and wide stance. But the designers have modernized every line and surface, creating a silhouette that flows like liquid metal under light. The aggressive front fascia features narrow LED headlamps that cut through the darkness like focused A's, while the air intakes serve both form and function, channeling cool air toward the Rotary-Hybrid powertrain. The rear end is a blend of muscular performance heritage and futuristic styling, with circular taillights paying tribute to the FD while a diffuser and integrated dual exhausts bring the modern flair expected from a 2026 sports machine. The heart of the 2026 RX-7 is its revolutionary powertrain, one that combines Mazda's legendary rotary engineering with contemporary hybrid assistance. After years of refinement, Mazda has reintroduced the rotary not as a range extender but as a true performance engine. The compact size of the Wankel design allows engineers to place it lower and further back in the chassis, enhancing balance and achieving near-perfect weight distribution. Paired with an electric motor delivering instant torque, the RX-7's hybrid system brings together the high-revving excitement of a rotary and the immediate response of electrification. The result is a power unit that feels alive, spinning effortlessly toward high RPM while delivering the punch needed for modern performance. This dual-power approach also improves efficiency and reduces emissions, addressing the rotary's historical weaknesses while celebrating its strengths. Performance figures reflect Mazda's renewed commitment to enthusiast driving. The 2026 RX-7 is expected to produce a combined output that places it firmly in the competitive realm of other modern sports cars, with acceleration that can push the driver back into the seat and handling precision that encourages spirited cornering. Mazda's engineers focused extensively on chassis rigidity, lightweight construction, and a perfectly tuned suspension system that blends responsiveness with real-world comfort. Whether on twisty mountain roads, urban streets, or open highways, the RX-7 delivers a sense of engagement reminiscent of the FD generation but with the refinement and stability expected from today's technology. Steering is sharp, communicative, and free of gimmicks, a just pure connection between driver and machine. Inside the cabin, the RX-7 is a fusion of driver-focused simplicity and modern digital integration. Mazda understands that a true sports car cockpit should prioritize the driver above all else. The seating position is low and centered, offering an almost cockpit-like immersion that brings you closer to the driving experience. The steering wheel is compact and sculpted for precision, while the instrument cluster blends analog-style digital gauges with rotary-themed animations that pay homage to the car's history. Materials throughout the interior reflect Mazda's premium direction, incorporating soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, Alcantara, and high-quality stitching. The interface is clean, avoiding clutter while still providing access to advanced technology such as a floating infotainment display, wireless connectivity, and a suite of driver assistance features. This is a cabin that respects the spirit of the past while embracing the conveniences of the future. Of course, a car like the RX-7 isn't defined purely by numbers and specs, so it's shaped by emotion. Mazda has always been a brand driven by the philosophy of Jinba Ittai, the harmony between driver and vehicle, and the 2026 RX-7 is perhaps their strongest embodiment of that idea in years. Everything about this car is designed to make the driver feel present, connected, and in control. It turns every drive into an event, even if you're just running errands. The feedback through the chassis, the instant torque from the electric motor, the unique sound of the rotary engine revving toward its peak, all of these elements combine to create a sensory experience that few modern vehicles can match. The RX-7 doesn't just take you somewhere, it brings back the joy of the journey itself. Mazda's decision to revive the RX-7 also signals a bold step in the brand's future direction. While most automakers are fully committing to all-electric performance cars, Mazda is carving its own path by blending heritage with innovation. The inclusion of a rotary engine, once thought to be a relic of the past, shows a willingness to take risks and differentiate itself in a crowded market. The focus on lightweight performance also sets the RX-7 apart from the increasingly heavy world of electrified vehicles. Mazda understands that true driving pleasure comes from balance, agility, and emotional engagement, not just raw horsepower numbers. In many ways, the 2026 RX-7 is a reminder that the automotive world still has room for passion-driven engineering. As the RX-7 enters the market, it will inevitably draw comparisons to competitors like the Toyota Supra, Nissan Z, and various European sports coupes. Yet the RX-7's blend of hybrid rotary technology, lightweight construction, and iconic styling gives it a unique personality. Enthusiasts will appreciate how Mazda has managed to retain the essence of the RX-7 lineage while creating something thoroughly modern. Collectors and fans of the classic FD will likely see this new generation as a worthy successor, one that honors the legacy instead of overshadowing it. Younger drivers, meanwhile, will see the RX-7 as an exciting and attainable entry into the world of performance motoring. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 ultimately stands as a celebration of everything that makes sports cars special. It's not just a revival, it's a rebirth of an icon redesigned for a new era of driving. From its mesmerizing design to its innovative rotary-hybrid powertrain and its commitment to delivering pure driving pleasure, the RX-7 symbolizes Mazda's return to form. It captures the thrill, nostalgia, and ambition that define great sports cars. Whether you're a long-time enthusiast or someone discovering the RX-7 for the first time, the 2026 model promises a driving experience that's unforgettable, emotional, and unmistakably Mazda.